Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm at the Babe Cafe and I have the special edition Mooncake edition. Yeah. So it comes in this box. Nothing special, just white, baby ape on the sides. So here you can see, zoom in. This food item is a custom flavored, alright. 22nd October 2025. So there's expiry. And let's open it. So this is a special edition mooncake thingy. Comes every year. And this one, only if you spend a certain amount of baked stuff, then you get this. You open it. Okay, there you go. So every year there's different colors, different designs. So 2025 is got the blue CAMO design, ABC CAMO. Alright. You don't have to zoom in so close, right? So this is the case, pretty nice. The back as well. So let's open it. Yeah, it looks nice. So 2025 blue ABC CAMO edition, custard flavor mooncake. So let's have a look inside. This is the size. Of course, pretty customary. Every time it's the same. Yep. Yeah. Cute little baby. Alright. Taste wise, I think there's not much difference, but it tastes very good. And yeah. I think where is it made in? Okay, so it's actually made in Hong Kong. Alright, so you can be guaranteed there's quality. Alright. Mooncakes from Hong Kong, one of the best. So yeah, hope you like the video, subscribe, comment. I know it's been a while. Check it out later. Okay? Bye.